In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can contact Shopify customer support. Now I'm going to show you guys some tips. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, you want to click on login and log into your Shopify store that you have a problem with. Like, let's say that, for example, you can't list a product, or like you have something with like returns, some problem with returns or anything like that. You can contact them. You can also call them. You can call them directly, and then you can have your problem fixed. If they are willing to help you, of course. Now, this is not guaranteed, guys. After you contact them, that they will solve your problem. Probably they will not, but you have to do it and see your luck. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, you want to click on your name in the top right, as you can see, and you want to click on Shopify Help Center. After, guys, you click on Shopify Help Center, you will see a few different options, but you will not see here contact us. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to scroll down like at the very bottom. You want to keep scrolling, and you will see here can't find the answers you are looking for. We are here to help. You want to click on contact Shopify support, and after that, guys, you want to select here your store, like select an option for a support. You will see here your active stores. You want to click on the store that you have a problem with, and here you have to select your problem. Let's say that you can't create a store, or store management, or online store, apps. You have a problem with apps. You can't install an app or account. Now, if you have a problem with account, you want to click, for example, on account. Even if there is no your problem there, or you have other problems, just click on a random one. Okay, and then you will be able, guys, to contact them about your specific problem. That's what I do, guys, most of the time. For example, account security, you want to scroll down again, and then you can see here leave a message, chat with us, community. Sometimes you will find here phone call us, like you will see here phone call, and then you can get their number, and then you can call them here. Now for me, I only have 3 options. Click on chat with us, and you will have here to enter your name. Okay, this is your name. You don't even have to enter it. This is your email. This is your domain name, and here your message. You want to enter here the problem that you have, and then you want to click on I'm not a robot, and then you want to click on chat with us. Okay, so if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like. You will get back to you within 24 hours, by the way. Please drop a like and watch the video in the screen. You will learn more about how dropshipping works, like if you want to learn more about dropshipping. And let me know in the comments if you have any question. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.